Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and no matter what they do, it needs to look like this because I've already done it. Pretty cool illusion. But if they're telling me if they take the red and go to Object Order Front of Page, then it puts well, mine is yellow on top, but it puts the blue behind it. A really quick fix would be to make one more square. So we're going to take a 2-point line and go from there and then hold down the control button. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 20 inches. I'm going to fill that in, nudge it over, fill that in, nudge it over. Get rid of my line. And don't really need, well, might need the lines. I'm going to Control G to group it, and then just take that top point and go right, should snap right to it. And there you have the illusion, with the exception that now you have this. So what we can do, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 30 inches. So I only have to nudge it twice. I'm going to nudge that out of the way and that out of the way. I'm going to take this line and cut it. I could have done it without doing that. I didn't realize it would work. But you see, by cutting it, maybe it's going to mess it up. So maybe that isn't going to work. There we go. So that was a quick fix. But it's done. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty sure, well, I've already drawn it. And I'm pretty sure I figured out what mistake he made. So if you'd like ever to make something like that, stay tuned for part 2.